How to upgrade the Radex to a 6-outlet system. Ensure the air supply has been disconnected. Remove the filter lid and replace with the 6-outlet lid in the 04-960 upgrade kit. Be sure to tighten 2 opposite bolts first to ensure even pressure across the lid and a perfect seal. Thread all 6 couplers into the manifold after applying thread sealant. Then thread the manifold with the couplers into the lid and tighten. Thread the pressure gauge into the manifold. Thread the pressure relief valve into the lid and tighten. Thread the 1-inch connector to the super high flow regulator. Then thread the pressure gauge into the regulator and thread the regulator into the filter inlet. The system is now set up as a 6-outlet filter unit.